Hello, in this video I want to give you a tour of the 3D menu. Oftentimes you're going to start with a sketch, but this is what happens when you start with what we call a primitive. In the create menu, you can go to these right down here, and you can start with a box, cylinder, sphere, torus, coil, or pipe. Really the only one that we use with any regularity is the box. Click once on box, click on the origin, click on that point, and then make a size. Then you can type in the size that you'd actually want. 2 inches long, 4 inches wide, and 1 inch tall, for example. Now you have a box there. You can also do that with a sphere and any other number of items, but they work very similarly to what we just looked at. Okay, but we're just going to look at the box for now. Now we're going to look at the modify menu. In the modify menu, you can change things in many different ways. One thing is press pull or shortcut Q. Then you can grab a surface and you can adjust where that surface lands. Next, modify fillet. Click on a corner or a surface and it will round over that edge by the amount that you say you'd like it to be rounded over. Then we can go to shell. Shell selects the surface you'd like to be open, and then we can type in a value, and it will change that to be a shell of whatever wall thickness you select. Next, we're going to look at combine. So if I have 2 shapes on here, I can, and I hadn't already joined them together, you can combine them right here. Combine also does cutting and intersecting. So if I were to join them, I would not want to keep the old tool, and I don't want to make a new component in this case, but I'm going to just select these 2 and say OK, and now they are one object, like so. Now I could also unjoin them. I just did Control Z or edit feature, and I'm going to go move this one a little bit down into the other one. Then I can go to combine and cut, and I want to cut this one using this one as a tool, and I don't want to keep the tool in this case. I want it to disappear, but I could also keep it by selecting the Keep Tools button. Next thing I can show you on here is scale. So I'm going to go to modify scale and grab my object, select a point to scale from, and a scale factor of anywhere from 0.1 to make it really small to 2 to make it twice as big, like that. You can also do non-uniform scaling where the X, Y, and Z value are different. Next one I want to show you is split face, split body. Split body is a good one to know, and we'll look at that one right now. I'm going to split this body, but first I need a plane to cut it with. Construction plane, offset plane. From here, I'm going to bring it to the middle somewhere, click OK. Then I can go to split body, cut this thing using that plane. You can also use any other flat surface or any other curved surface to split a body with too, like so. All right, that's the basics of the modify menu in the SolidWorks.